Alright everybody, this is a 3.5 horse Craftsman 2 20-inch cut, solid state ignition. This I believe is from 1984. This was a friend of mine's and he gave it to me because he needed some space. Before me and him got it running, it sat in a shed for close to 12 years. And it wouldn't run with the original carburetor, so we put a Chinese aftermarket one on here. He put new wheels on it before I even knew him, so I mean these weren't my doing, although the back ones do need to be replaced because their paint on them is kind of done. It's got the plastic bagger on it. For some reason it has like a hole under here. I don't know if you all can see that right there, but I can reach my hand in there. This is just a rear bag and mulching mower. Take the bag off to mulch. Cast iron. That's a Tecumseh engine. 3.5 horse 20-inch cut right there. From the serial on it, I believe the motor's from '84. I don't know how well you all will be able to see that, but it's there. This mower, it runs really good. This is a warm. I'll do a warm start on it. I just had it running. I mowed a little bit around here. It does okay, but you know, it's a mower from the '80s, so what do you expect? It's getting a little rusty right here, but overall this thing's in pretty good condition. The blade on it, looks real good. The muffler's actually underneath the motor. See, the muffler's right there. I mean, there's still even some of the original paint down here. This mower hasn't been used all that much, if I'm being honest, because the guy, he has a lawn service, and he used multiple different push mowers, and this was one of them back when he was using it. His wife used it, and then they upgraded to something better, then they just kept on doing the same thing. But without further ado, let's get this thing started up. So let's see if I can't do this one-handed. You have to grab right here in the middle. Hold on. This mower is getting kind of low on compression, but I mean it's 3.5 horsepower, so it's not going to have that much. But this is a cool feature I thought was nice. You push this down, along with the other one over here, get the store up like that. That's how it looked when I found it. It was in the shed and it didn't have the bagger on it, but it was piled under a bunch of stuff and it was literally sitting like this. Me and my buddy, back when I was real little, kept saying we were going to work on it, and then we finally did. But the first time was a failure because the carburetor on it got too screwed up. But yeah, this is the old Craftsman mower that I still have now. Peace, guys. Stay safe.